Welcome to Health Class Online channel. If this is your first time visiting our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified anytime we upload amazing content like this. In this video, find out how to use castor oil for keep our face glowing, youthful skin, longer hair, and more. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years for its amazing healing properties and benefits. It is derived from the seeds of the castor bean plant and has been a staple in traditional medicine cabinets for centuries. Revered for its therapeutic properties, castor oil has transcended generations, finding its place in diverse cultures for its impressive range of applications. From soothing inflammation to promoting hair growth, this versatile oil has earned its reputation as a potent natural remedy. Today, as we rediscover the power of natural ingredients, castor oil is experiencing a well-deserved resurgence, captivating modern beauty enthusiasts and health-conscious individuals alike. Let's explore the remarkable benefits and potential risks of this age-old elixir. One of castor oil's most celebrated benefits lies in its remarkable anti-aging properties. At the heart of these age-defying effects is ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid that comprises approximately 90% of castor oil's composition. This potent compound acts as a humectant, drawing moisture from the air and locking it into the skin. This intense hydration plumps up the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother, more youthful complexion. But the benefits don't stop there. Castor oil is also believed to stimulate collagen production, the protein responsible for maintaining skin's elasticity and firmness. Furthermore, castor oil is a rich source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects the skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. These damaging factors contribute to premature aging, making vitamin E a crucial element in any anti-aging skincare regimen. Castor oil's potent antioxidant prowess doesn't end there. It also aids in fading hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots and blemishes that often accompany aging and sun exposure. By inhibiting the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color, castor oil promotes a more even skin tone, restoring a youthful radiance. While its anti-aging benefits are impressive, castor oil's therapeutic reach extends far beyond turning back the hands of time. It boasts remarkable soothing and healing properties, attributed to its potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. These qualities make it a sought-after natural remedy for a variety of skin conditions. Whether you're battling acne, eczema, or simply dry, irritated skin, castor oil can provide much-needed relief. Its anti-inflammatory properties calm redness and itching, while its antimicrobial action combats bacteria and yeast overgrowth, common culprits behind acne breakouts. But the benefits don't stop at skincare. Castor oil is also a boon for hair health. This viscous oil is a godsend for those struggling with dry, brittle hair and an itchy, flaky scalp. Its moisturizing properties penetrate deep into the hair shaft, replenishing lost moisture and restoring shine and manageability. Furthermore, regular application of castor oil to the scalp can help combat dandruff and other scalp conditions. Anecdotal evidence suggests that castor oil may even promote hair growth, potentially benefiting individuals experiencing hair loss or thinning. While generally considered safe for topical use, it's crucial to be aware of potential risks associated with castor oil, particularly concerning ricin toxicity. Castor beans contain ricin, a highly toxic protein. However, it's important to note that ricin is not present in castor oil that has been properly processed for commercial use. The oil undergoes a rigorous extraction process that removes the toxin, making it safe for topical application. Ensure you purchase castor oil from reputable sources to guarantee its safety. If you have watched this video up to this point, kindly take a second to hit the like button and share this video so that others can benefit from this information. However, pregnant women should exercise caution when using castor oil. While topical application is generally considered safe during pregnancy, applying castor oil to the abdomen is not recommended. Castor oil's potent properties can stimulate uterine contractions, potentially inducing labor, especially in later stages of pregnancy. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and share. See you in our next video.